You need inspection report software. And if you don't have any quite yet, well, you can test drive by going to inspectoroutlet.com, and the software providers have given InterNetG members discounts and opportunities to test drive their own software. So if we go to InterNetG's e-commerce partner, the Inspector Outlet, let's open that. And we get to the software section on the website, and there's Inspector Logic, there's Legacy, there's Home Inspector Pro, Home Gauge, EZ, Spectora, and all the others. And again, ask the software provider for discounts for InterNetG members. What can you do for my inspection business? You should ask them. If you don't have software yet, be sure to use InterNetG's free inspection software. And that's at, that's the mock. We use the software, the inspection report software. It's very basic. It's for those pretend mock reports in order to get certified, but you can also use it if you don't have software in order to practice. In its stage right now, I wouldn't use it for a fee paid inspection for a client that's paying you. It's very basic. So on my laptop, it looks like this. So you can do a new mock inspection, and you can type in your property address, 123 Main Street in Jamestown, Colorado. Name of the property owner, Mary Doe. And the date of the inspection is the 20th. Continue to the roof. It says, and it automatically saves, obviously. And then I have 7 things remaining, and there's roof, exterior, basement, plumbing, all that stuff. And in this section here, under roof covering materials, I could observe no defect, a major defect, a cosmetic, a minor, a material defect. We just learned about that, what that material defect is. Or it was not inspected. Maybe the details here, major defect, okay? And then in the gutters, I have no defects, right? And then the downspout, I don't have any defects. Vents flashing, I have a major defect, and the kickout flashing was not installed, right? There are no pictures in the software, right? And if you wanted to do, and you go on to the next one, right? Exterior. Oh, I have to finish this one. Oh, it forces me to finish everything. Let's see, it's asphalt, shingle, and according to the InterNetG SOP, please report on the following item. Did you observe any indications of roof leaks? No. And now I get to continue to the exterior. It forces me to inspect everything according to the standards of practice requirements. If I wanted to use my phone, I can. So let me bring my phone over. So here's my phone, right? And here it is here. And if I wanted to go through the inspection details, I can do this, and there's my, oh, I'm sorry. So there's the report is on my phone. So I can do the same thing that I did on my laptop, but on my mobile device. And I can select things like the asphalt shingle, and did I report any roof leaks? Yes, I did. So you can use your mobile device as well and practice performing. But you need to slow, this is step 3 now. You need to start thinking about using real software. You have a free inspection checklist through InterNetG, but you got to get past that now. Now you have to start thinking about software and downloading a free trial, or I think there's another software provider that gives you 5 inspection reports for free and things like that. Make sure you use Inspector Outlet, because that's a portal through which you can get those software providers to give you discounts. So InterNetG through Inspector Outlet helps you save money. So start thinking about software. Do it right now and start choosing software. If you need some advice and some recommendations, you can contact me. But it's really up to you now. To do an inspection, you need software, and choose software that has a discount for InterNetG members and can run on a mobile device. So do that now.